All eyes on me. What's happening, y'all, man? It's been a busy year. I had a rock star landscape season. I did really well. Look at them gray hairs, man. That wisdom. Oh, that wasn't wisdom. That was lint. Anywho, it's been going well, man. We've been rocking and rolling. I did a lot of landscaping, forest, lawn renovations this season, and also my Christmas light business did pretty well this season. We were able to accomplish what we did last year. Didn't knock it. It wasn't. I wouldn't say a home run. Didn't hit my goal that I wanted to, but hey, there's always another year, and I'm gonna just dial in and improve my systems to make sure next year's better prepared. As of right now, it's actually a downtime. I'm actually catching a moment of downtime. It's December, and usually I still have holiday light installs. I just was completing my last few this past week. And I might have a couple drip in right before the holiday for the last minute movers who's just moved into my area that just trying to get a holiday lighting experience. But overall, landscaping and everything has been well. I've been blessed, truly blessed this season. I'm actually about to go do something different I've never done before. And it's really just to help one of my neighbors out. It's like, hey, I seen you doing Christmas lights. Can you possibly clear off my roof? I got a bunch of leaves up there. And it's like, it's not what I do, but being that you're my neighbor, I just take care of it. So it's not like something I'm about to start offering or nothing like that. But it shall be different, my house is a little bit farther away from the trees, so I don't have a bunch of, gutters to clean out and stuff like that often. And I haven't did it, even when I was doing lawn care and stuff. I wasn't really doing like no gutter cleaning and roof clear off and nothing like that. So this shall be different for me. But I'm comfortable with being on the roof, and it's not, a crazy pitch roof or nothing like that. So probably take me 10 minutes, I'm guessing, maybe, once I get my ladder off. But yeah, man, the season's been amazing, man. It's been amazing. How have your season been, man? Leave me some comments down in the comment section, man, because I need to be uploading a little bit more frequently. I ain't forgot about y'all, but I have been working.